do you concede, Mr. McLima, that at the original pretrial detention hearing that Judge Sabella did not articulate and did not rule on the Arthur factors?
I would agree with that, Judge. That's
Okay.
what's in the transcript.
And do you also agree that pursuant to the pretrial detention statute, in order for there to be a modification, once a court has found that it applies, that they have to be facts not known, and the facts would have to be material and have some bearing or relevance to the case? Do you agree with that?
I don't, Judge. So in the state's motion at the bottom of page 3, the state cites to the statute that they're referring to, 907.041 5J. That statute no longer exists. That statute, by research, is from 2023. Statute has since been amended, so that subsection does not exist. The section that reads, a party made motion for pretrial detention order to be reconsidered at any time before defendant's trial. So that no longer exists. In 2024, it just moved to subsection K, and then in 2025, if you look on Lexis, that language doesn't even appear anymore at all.
Okay.
So
What's your response to that, Ms.
Judge,
Doherty?
I specifically cited the statute that was in effect at the time when her pretrial detention hearing was heard. So
Okay.
I had to.
But the legislature has subsequently changed it, correct?
Judge, that is correct.
And so,
In the current statute, that subsection is still in existence. It's just moved to a different letter.
I just,
okay, well, let me take a look. I'll look it up right now. Just make sure we have the most current reading of the statute, and we'll see what it says. But at this point, we can go forward and the defense can call witnesses. All right. So I'm going to deny the state's motion to strike the motion to reconsider pretrial detention. Okay. So who's going to be your first witness?
first witness is Detective Nita.
Okay.
He is on, or should be on Zoom.
All right. Let me look.
And Judge, just to go back, and I'm sorry to belabor the point, but the reason I brought the statute book is it specifically states when that new pretrial detention and release statute goes into effect, each subsection tells when that statute is effective and what the dates are that are encompassed. And the one that I cited to is the one that is in effect. And so the ones that are subsequent to that also say when they go into effect, and that is after the date and time frame.
Of when the original pretrial detention hearing was, or today?
When the original,
I understand, but assuming the language has changed, I'm assuming Mr. McLymont is going to say it's retroactive application. I'm assuming that's what you're going to tell me, right? Or that I can consider, and it's got to be done now pursuant to the current statute, correct?
Yes, that would be my argument.
Okay, so I'll take a look at it and we'll go from there. Okay.